I want to get right to your reporter, Brian Sherrod, joining us along the foothills. And Brian, that's where we're expecting to see some of the strongest gusts later today.
And right now, things have been pretty pleasant for the most part. Of course, we know those things can change. Right now, like you mentioned, we just got to Ken Pratt Boulevard here in Longmont. We drove on the Foothills Parkway area. We also were on Diagonal Highway. Same thing. It was more construction than what it was wind, but we know that will change later on. We are learning that Xcel is activating their enhanced power line safety settings. Pretty much when the enhanced power line safety settings are activated, power lines are more sensitive and can instantly stop the flow of energy if an issue is detected, like a tree branch or other object touching the line. These settings do not mean the company has proactively turned off a customer's power. If there is an outage while these settings are activated, it is a result of the issue on the power line. Now, in the event of an outage, power will remain off until our crews visually inspect power lines to make sure it is safe to turn them back on. This means that if an outage occurs, it can last longer. Now, Xcel says they had planned a public safety power shutoff. Some communities in the San Luis Valley, they ultimately said conditions did not reach the threshold to turn that power off. So we always mention stay prepared, have supplies when it comes to just making sure that you are good to go, so that if your power does get cut off, at least you'll be able to take care of yourself. But when it comes to the current wind, like I said, so far so good, but we know later on it will change.
It will. All right, Brian, thanks so much. Taking a look at your traffic right now. This is